Okay, we're back again. This is the other little hive I said we were going to be looking at. It's number 304. And she was a slow laying queen. She didn't seem to get the zoomps to get up. We're going to take a look at her today. I don't really know when the last time we looked at her. This thing says 317, which could be correct. I fed them since then, I can see that. It has 4 frames. That food in the bottom could be a little bit thick for them today though. Let's see what we got. We have a lot of dead brood. See, it happens, people. I can take that frame with the dead brood in it, put it in the freezer, let it freeze, and bring it out and put it in a strong hive and they'll clean it up. They may not enjoy it, but they'll do it. This one here has some nectar and some pollen. If I'm not mistaken, I see eggs. Nothing on that side. But yep, there's little eggs in there. Not much going on, but she has eggs in there. A little bit of horse brood. So she may still be in here clicking along. Queens like this that hatch out in early spring. I'm talking early, well, before spring. I'm talking about like in February, March. And they come back to the hive mated. They may not be mated properly. So I might just take this one and separate it up a little bit. Still has a little bit of honey on it. Bottom looks dirty. Doesn't have enough bees to keep everything clean and straight. So we're going to put them here and put a need. It'll be right there trying to get a hold of something. But that's that one. So we'll be back to that. We got a place we can put a queen though. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think I need to do with this little girl or little hive. I don't know if there's a other girl in there or not. Y'all have a great day. Bye.